Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kadeen. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I have lots of great contents on my channel, so please go ahead and check those out and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this beautiful makeup look. Like you see, I'm wearing pink glitter with red lipstick. So this is not your everyday typical makeup look. It's a little bit more glammed up. So I would say this would be appropriate for, say, a wedding, or maybe going out to the prom, or whatever special occasion that you may have. Or, oh yes, if you want to go out on a date night, this would be very appropriate. You want to go out and impress that special someone, you know what I mean. Yeah, so this look would be appropriate for something like that. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. We're going to have lots of fun today. All right, see you in a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm going to start off by using my MAC concealer, and this is a shade that is about 2 times lighter than my complexion. I'm also going to be using my MAC angle brush, and this is number 266 in case you want to go and purchase this brush. It's a very good brush. So I'm going to precisely apply the concealer to the top of my brows so I could achieve the shape that I'm looking for. And also guys, make sure that you're blending out the concealer so it doesn't have that harsh line, okay? Just like you see I'm doing right now, you gotta blend it out a little bit. Okay, so my brows is the shape that I wanted. So next I'm going to be using my Prime Shield primer. And this is going to make sure that your makeup stays put. Okay, next I'm going to be using my Prime Correct, and I'm going to apply it to the dark spots on my face. And this is also going to make your give you a better coverage from the foundation. Okay, so I have a lot of breakouts on my face because I usually tend to put my hands in my face a lot, so that's why. So guys, now I'm gonna apply the same concealer that I use on my eyebrows, and I'm gonna apply it on my lids. And this is gonna prevent my lids from creasing, and it's also gonna allow the makeup, the eyeshadow to pop a little bit more. Okay, so I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm gonna choose the color New Money. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by putting it over my eyelids, and I'm gonna make sure to apply multiple layers so I could intensify the color. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with a deeper color, and I'm gonna use the color Living Lavish. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit more concealer to my lids, and then I'm gonna be applying my glitter. So this is the glitter that I'm gonna be using. It's pink glitter, and it's very pretty, very beautiful. The glitter is fine. It's not too bulky, and it's a great application. You'll see. Next, I'm going to be applying my lashes, and this is the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes, and these are some lovely pair of lashes. I love these lashes, guys. It's not too dramatic and it's not too much of an understatement. They're just perfect. Next, we're moving on to the foundation. So I'm going to be trying out my Il Marquage foundation, and I'm also going to be mixing that with my MAC 7.5 as well. Okay, now I'm going to be using another foundation from MAC, and this one is more on the liquid side, so I'm going to use this to highlight. Oops, oh my, I'm so clumsy, guys. And now I'm so pissed. Okay, so I'm gonna use my beauty blender sponge and I'm gonna blend out this concealer. Next, I'm gonna be using a loose setting powder to set my highlights. Oh, and I'm making a mess. Look at that. I put too much loose powder on the brush, so now my face is a mess. So now I'm going to be using a darker shade MAC pressed powder, and I'm going to be using that to contour. And now we're going to work on these eyelashes. Now I'm using a regular eyeliner pencil just to give my eyes a little bit more depth. So now I'm moving on to my lips, and I'm going to be using a pencil from Urban Decay, and I'm going to use it to line my lips. So the lipstick I'm going to be using today is from CoverGirl, and this is a red lipstick. It's number 305 and it's called Hot Passion. Now I'm going to be using my setting spray, and we are finished with the look, guys. Alright, so tell me guys what you think. Are you liking my results? Yeah, I'm loving every bit of it. It's a bold look, not an everyday look, not something that I would wear every day, but I'm loving the glitter. So girly, so feminine, so cute. So here's some still picture, guys. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.